there, I'm Rebecca from News for Jax. Is it okay if we give you a hurricane house call?
Well, yeah, okay, sure.
This is Tat from Florida Home Improvement Associates.
How are you? Nice to meet you.
And he's going to be able to help us tell you some things you might be able to do to your home to make it a little more hurricane ready.
Okay.
It's a little
Yeah, for sure.
flimsy.
From a hurricane standpoint, last time you left, you kind of put a chair in front of the door.
Right.
To hopefully stop it from blowing in. But we also see that it's all glass. So while the chair was there, if any flying debris got in here and were to crack the glass, now those 120, 130 mile an hour winds are now trapped inside your room and they have nowhere to go. So that's when you lose sections of your roof. So we want to do some things if we can to protect the glass. Okay. And we can do something in the same similar style to what you have now to give the cosmetic look that you love, but give you the protection that is necessary for living in Florida.